Hey guys, welcome back, and this is another video from Tech with Fies. And in this video we're going to be learning about asking questions with if and else commands. So this is chapter 5. I did chapter 4 in the last video, which was all about turtle and stuff. So if you guys haven't checked that video out, then link is in the description, and you guys can go ahead and check that out as well. Alright, so let's get started. In programming, we often ask yes or no questions and decide to do something based on the answer. For example, we might ask, "Are you older than 10? Are you older than 20?" And if the answer is yes, respond with, "You are too old." These sorts of questions are called conditions, and we combine these conditions. And the responses to if statement condition can be more complicated than a single question. And if statements can also be combined with multiple questions and different responses based on the answer to each question. In the chapter, you will learn how to use if the statement to build programs. Alright guys, let's start with the if statement. An if statement might be written in the program. So I'm going to show you guys how it might be written as age equals 13. If age equals 20, print you are too old. And then an if statement is made up of the if keyword followed by a condition, and a colon is if age, alligator sign to the left, 20. The lines following the colon must be in a block, and if the answer to the question is yes, the command in the block will run. Now let's explore how to write blocks in conditions. Alright, a block of code is a grouped set of programming statements. For example, when if age is true, you might want to do more than just print "You are too old." Perhaps you want to print out few other choices sentence, like examples like age equals 25, enter if age 20, column, enter, print you are, hold on, if age equals you are too old, exclamation mark, okay, enter, print why are you here, enter. Alright, print why are you moving a lot or sorting papers. print y AREN / int you am mowing lawn, or LAWN, or SORTIN, sorting PAPERS, papers, question mark, and we hit enter. The block of code is made up of 3 statements that run only if the conditions are age 20 is found to be true. Each line in the block has 4 spaces at the beginning. When you compare it with the statement above it, let's look at the code again. Age equals 25 if age 20, column, print you are too old. Enter, print, and then why are you here? And then print why aren't you mowing a lawn or sorting papers? Question mark. In Python, white spaces such as a tab or a space is meaningful. Code that is at the same position is grouped into a block, and whenever you start a new line with more spaces than the previous one, you are starting a new block that is part of the previous one. We group statements together into blocks because they are related. The statement need to be run together. When you change the indentation, you're generally creating a new block. The following example shows 3 separate blocks that are created just by changing the indentation here. Even though blocks 2 and 3 have the same indentation, they are considered different blocks because there is an block with less indentation, fewer spaces between them. For the matter, a block with 4 spaces on one line and 6 spaces on the next will produce an indentation error when you run it, because Python expects you to use the same number of spaces for all the lines in a block. So if you start a block with 4 spaces, you should consistently use 4 spaces for that block. Here's an example, guys. So if age equals 20, print you are too old, and then print why are you here? Question mark. Enter. I've made the spaces visible so you can see the difference. Notice the 3 line has 6 spaces instead of 4. When we try to run this code, idle highlights the line where it sees a problem. So you guys see there's a syntax error, inspected indent with a red block, and displays an explanatory message. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys learned something new. This was Python part 5. No, not part 5, chapter 5. I did chapter 4 in the last video. And if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Have a great day, and bye bye.